Hello little ones! It's me again, Mama Sarah! And today we are going to read Llama Llama Holiday Drama by Anna Dudney. And I'm so excited! Llama Llama Holiday Drama, Anna Dudney. Llama Llama Holidays, jingle music, lights ablaze. Sparkly candles, yummy bread, dress-up clothes in green and red. How long till that special date? Llama Llama has to wait. It says only 15 more shopping days. Llama Llama Holidays, ads and signs and store displays, fluffy snow and funny elves, goodies piled high on shelves. Only 12 more shopping days. Just how many days to go? Llama Llama wants to know. Llama's so excited. Time to buy and search and shop. Mama carries, Llama drops. I got so tired. Buy a friend a rubber duck, pirate ship or tractor truck, wooden blocks or building set. What will Llama Llama get? It says holiday sale. Ooh, look at Mama. Choosing from a truck or a pirate ship. Llama Llama Holidays. Hustle, bustle, cooking craze. Measure sugar, roll the dough. 10 more batches left to go. 10? That's a lot. How many more days again? The special day is coming when? Llama wants to know. Take the cookies out to cool. Frost a great big batch for school. Ooh, add some sprinkles. Almost done. Teacher gets the fancy one. No more cookies left to bake. Llama tummy ache. Llama has been eating the cookies. School has dreidels, songs and bells. Big red ribbons, woodsy smells. Draw a snowman, make a star, decorate a candle jar. Are there many days to go? Llama time is going slow. Looking at the calendar. Mama needs a present too. Get some sparkles, sticks, and glue. Roll it up and wrap it how? Llama wants to give it now. He's so excited. Look at his creation. They're also creative. And so serious. Llama Holidays. Unpack stockings and wrap trays. Shiny silver, fancy plates. Llama waits. Oh. Good, look at his face. It's so funny. Cut out snowflakes, tape them up. Pour some eggnog in a cup. Oops, it's yucky on the floor. Llama waits some more. Stringing lights is not much fun. How come Mama isn't done? Is the big day coming soon? Llama starts to swoon. So slow. The days are so slow. All this waiting for one day? Time for presents right away. Too much music, too much fluff, too much making, too much stuff, too much everything for Llama. Llama Holly Drama. Oh, he's tired of waiting for this special day to come. Come and listen, little llama. Have a cuddle with your mama. Sometimes we should take a rest and hold the ones we love the best. Wishing, waiting, wanting things. We forget what this time brings. Gifts are nice, but there's another. The true gift is we have each other. Llama Llama, warm and snug, gives a kiss and gets a hug. Mwah. Snuggles close with Mama Llama. Happy holidays for Llama. The end. Llama Llama Holiday Drama by Anna Dewdney. Happy holidays, reading friends! Thank you for reading with me. See you again tomorrow.